Good morning, Lauren. How are you?
Hi.
Guys, look at the village. It is beautiful. Oh, I got a beautiful morning here in Gruyères. But Lauren, what are we doing today?
We are gonna go to the chocolate factory.
On a little hike too, for a little bit. But good morning, little rooster. But we were walking to our car, which our car, you have to park your car like down the hill there. But look at how beautiful this is. Holy cannoli. I think, like, I really love how, like, quiet it is all the time. Like, it gets really... Oh yeah. there's little animals there. But yeah, like, I love how quiet it gets here. But, like, in the morning here, when there's, like, no one here, it's, like, really quiet. But welcome to the vlog, guys. Okay, Lauren. Well, I guess it says it right behind you. But where are we?
Switzerland.
Well, obviously. Silly. What are we about to do?
Eat chocolate.
Yeah, we're gonna eat more chocolate. But we are at, well, I know it says Nestle. It is a form of Nestle. We're at the, I'm probably gonna mispronounce, the Maison Cailler.
We'll
Apologies if we mispronounced it. But they're a product of Nestle. But in, oh please, there's a bus. But they are a product of Nestle. And in Broc, which is like 8 minutes from the village of Gruyères, is their factory. And this is literally the most beautiful location for a factory. But there's the factory. And you excited?
Yes.
Are you gonna get full from chocolate again?
Yes.
I hope they give us free chocolate. What did we just do?
We went through the history of chocolate.
Yeah, so at the other one that we went to, the Lint one, they talked about the story of chocolate, but this one, I don't want to say unfortunately, but Portugal through, but it was a very interactive, like, rooms. Like, you went through 8 rooms, and it's cool. But now we get to learn a little bit more, and then comes the best part.
Tasting.
It's gonna be cool. But so far, I will say this. I think I like this one more, and I'm not tasting chocolate much. Just
I like
the two
the beginning of both of them.
Yeah.
Where they're like, let's start from the beginning. Which makes sense, as you should.
Yeah.
I did like that, how they're like, let's talk.
Okay, so basically we just saw like this whole little piece of chocolate get made, get wrapped, and then we're gonna try some at the end there. Are you excited?
The wrapper.
Yeah, they're wrapping it. The wrapper looks like it's on the little strip, and then the chocolate is there.
Wrapper's right here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is really cool. Like this is really cool.
Oh my god.
So I think one thing I really have enjoyed about this one instead of the other one is this one like think through the history of chocolate. And then now it literally showed you like how they make one little chocolate that big. Lets you try it, and now it looks like we're learning even more in the next room. I like this too a lot. Like, guys, like I know we're not even like halfway through. I think we're more than halfway through. Come to Broc. It's pretty cool. I love you.
Playground like that.
Yeah. So they have a playground, but Lauren, we're just finished. What do you think?
It was very good.
I didn't eat nearly as much chocolate on this one as I did on the
I got
Lin
too
one.
excited about the other one, and I was like, ate it all at the beginning, and then I realized, oh no, this is gonna be.
But I think although,
So I think we learned our lesson.
Yes, but I think on this one though, I enjoyed this one more because it was more of a like, here, let's teach you the history of it. Now, after we go into the history aspect, it started talking about like, here's how we make it, you know.
Yeah.
So it was a.
Oh, here's all of the ingredients together, and then once we have them all, here's us making it.
Yeah, and then I loved how they showed like the whole, I love that assembly line process they had for like the one little one that we got to try, you know? And then they're like, okay, now here's the tasting.
Well, that was interesting because like when we saw it going through, I was like, oh, they're just like coating more chocolate, but also this is not like just milk chocolate, like it's forming no strings. What the heck is that? And you could taste the difference. I still don't know what it was, but you could taste it.
Yeah, and honestly, it was cool. Like, I love this one. I think I like this one more than going to the Lint one. However, I will never complain about the Lint one. I think that is the escape room. Oh, that is so cool. Yeah, so they have an escape room here too, guys. And it's inside of a train car. You have to escape from the train.
Do you want to do it?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, it's so pretty. But yeah, guys, that river, that building right there is the factory. So literally, if you're ever in Broc or Gruyères, go on a little hike. We're leaving our car parked over there, and we're going on a little hike. Yep. But you have to go up this little hill, which could be scary because there could be cars coming down.
Yeah, so watch out for cars.
But the trailhead should be right up here. So we found the trailhead. Also, guys, if you wanted to, if you brought a car here, there's a parking lot right here that we found. But realistically, we're just keeping our car where it is because it's like maybe like 100 meters difference.
Yeah.
It's really not that bad. There's a waterfall, and it's not like the Bridal Veil ones. This is like flowing. Look at that, honey. Okay, guys, we are like maybe 5 minutes down the path, if that. And look at this. And there's a bridge, which you guys can't see yet, but you're gonna see us on it. You ready for this? Let's.
You wanna wait like 3 seconds?
Yeah, we can wait 3 seconds to let them go. But look at this beautifulness. Holy. I don't think that's the path.
No, it's not. I know. Like I saw what the.
Oh, it was a path of some kind?
Yeah, because I think a lot of people go over there, but then like.
Yeah.
People like me, they notice, oh, it's not that way.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Also really dark. What? Oh, flashlight? Hold on. That was so cool.
Oh, this cement?
I think this is cement.
This is perfect.
But man, this is beautiful. Holy cow. And guys, we found this in a literal tourism brochure in Gruyères. Like, this was not originally planned to go on. But we found this and we're like, we have to do it. And we Googled it, and lo and behold, it's right next to the factory. Okay, so we are back at our hotel. But what do you think of the day?
It was a really good day.
What was your favorite?
I still have some chocolate in my pocket.
Dude, you have a whole container of chocolate.
Well, yeah, but do you want some more chocolate?
No, I don't. Did you hijack all the chocolate?
I didn't hijack all of the chocolates. I just took the one that I really liked.
Oh, which are
And
the
then-
coffee one?
I don't remember what this one is. Oh, this is the dark chocolate.
Yeah.
So if you want that one.
You're such a dork.
And then I gave you the milk chocolate. So
Yeah.
I only took
2.
Well, you gave me 2, and then I took 1. So
I love how you're trying to blame me for all the chocolate.
66% of the chocolates in my pocket were yours that you gave me. So technically they were mine, but it was because of you.
You're such a dork. But no, we are heading to Zermatt. And guys, for those of you that don't know, like at Disneyland,
We're not going on a bobsled.
No, we're not. But at Disneyland, my favorite ride is the Matterhorn.
Hopefully there won't be a Yeti. We don't know though.
Do you say hopefully there won't be a Yeti? I don't think there will be a Yeti. But
You don't think, but we didn't think there would be on the Matterhorn that we went on.
At Disneyland?
Guess what? There were 3.
There's not 3? Wait. I don't know. By the way, guys, when we mentioned the Matterhorn, we're talking both about the one here and the one in Disneyland. But yeah, tomorrow.
Do you know though? So the Matterhorn at Disneyland, people were really proud of Walt. They were like, "Oh my gosh, dude, that is so realistic. Like it looks like the real thing, except like it has a bunch of holes in it. Why would you put holes in the Matterhorn?" And he's like, "Well, it's Swiss."
And on that note, I love how you're laughing more at your joke than pretty much
Than who,
everyone
you?
probably is. Everyone watching this is probably like,
well, one
oh
person's
my
gonna
gosh.
laff more than the other.
Let us
I'm
know if
sorry
you
that
like
you
Lauren's cheesy jokes, because we will put them in the vlog more.
It's Swiss.
It's Swiss cheese.
You don't have to explain the joke.
But you guys, tomorrow, we'll see you guys as we do our
Try not to
travel
eat a
to Zermatt, and we'll see you when we see the Matterhorn. But until then, we'll catch you on the next vlog.
Away, away, and when it's time to find home, we know the way.